Hi everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I am Beth, and today is just another Magic Mail Monday. So about the singing, I promised my friend Lauren at Castles, Capes, and Clones that I would do that, but I understand that it was cruel and unusual punishment, and I will not let it happen to you again. I promise. So today I have Magic Mail, and if you follow the channel or know us, you know that I experienced a devastating family loss at the beginning of this year. Things that I had planned on doing the very beginning of January, I didn't do, and it took me a long time to kind of get into a mindset to film again, to open things, experience joy, you know. So I apologize for the delay in opening these, but it's a lot easier for me to go out and vlog in the parks than it is for me to film at home. That is much easier to get lost in, and then, you know, there are still days now where I feel very much less than magical. These, I know who they are from. This was actually from an Instagram like Secret Santa exchange. I don't know what it is, and I don't even know who it's from. It has just sadly been sitting in the foyer, and I feel terrible. So my apologies to whoever my Secret Santa was. I promise I will show you lots and lots and lots of love, and I'm very excited to open this. I really am. I am going to start though with this package. This is from our friends Andrea and Larry over at Our Castle Life. And I weirdly do know what this is, because if you follow their channel, I will link that. Last year in December, they had like an advent calendar kind of box, like bunches of different gifts. And she had asked for my address, and I was very curious, but then I watched this video, and as soon as she opened it, I was like, that's what she's sending me. So I'm very excited to open it because I have wanted to use it. So, package number 1 from Our Castle Life. Oh, and there's a card! Y'all, they are the nicest 2 people. I just love them. Beth and Villains and Vice. A wish for you at Christmas time. All the magic and the memories, all the merry of the season, and all the very best to you. Happy holidays. Beth. Merry Christmas to you and your family. I thought of you when I opened my Paris box. Hope you like it. Our Castle Life. Larry and Andrea. Valak and Azrael too. It's funny, because I was actually telling Mike when we watched one of your videos that we have a kitty. Her name ended up being Belle, but she was a hissy little thing, and almost called her Azrael. It was one of the names in the running, but everyone was like, Azrael was a boy. So she's Belle. All right. I'm excited. Oh, they unwrapped it so cute. It's amazing that it's held up this well all this time. Ta-da! So it is a Disney Villains Evil Queen Queen, Queen of Mean makeup headband. Here's my girl. So I was excited about this. So it's just a little headband that you put on while you put on your makeup. But I am excited to use it when I put on masks, you know, like face masks. Use it when I wash my face. I can sit on the couch with a glass of wine and my Evil Queen headband with my face mask on and enjoy some self-care, all thanks to Andrea and Larry. It's actually really comfortable too. Really comfortable. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for thinking of me. That was really, really sweet. Think about you guys every time I use this. Now our next package is from another set of friends of mine, Karen and Andy over at Disney Inside Andy. If you are not subscribed to either of these channels, what are you doing with your life? Go ahead, do that now. Pause this, and go subscribe to their channels. And please come back. I have no idea what this is. I do have a hunch. Beth, you've been on my mind. Love seeing you back on YouTube. You are a 1 in a million, my friend. Aw, love Karen. Thank you, Karen. I love you too. I'm so glad you are in my life now. We just love you and Andy and Abby Kate and Nana. And if you guys don't know, we did a Christmas exchange, and Karen is the one who sent me my box. You should check that out because she made ornaments that are so quintessentially me that I don't think that anything has screamed my name more than the Christmas ornament she made me. And people are stealing that idea, so she's a trendsetter. All right, what do we got here? Bubble wrapped, so I'm going to assume it is a pin. I had a hunch, and I will try. Looks like a tail. Look, there's a bee. I only have two very, very small collections of pins. One is the Evil Queen and the other is Lucifer. And now I have another one to add to the collection. I'm very excited. Oh my gosh. So cute. So he looks so smug. Hold on, I have to go get my pin board. Y'all, I officially have 10 pins now. I am in the double digits. He fits right in. Thank you, Karen, so much. That was so sweet and unnecessary, and I really, really appreciate it. You guys make me feel so loved. Thank you. I mean, really, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And Andrea and Larry, thank you. All right, now for the mystery box. I don't know what this is. Sounds like it might be a book. Makes me kind of sad. So it was an exchange that we did where we ordered things directly from Amazon. So there's no name on the packaging. The return address just says, you know, Amazon fulfillment, but there's no note, so I literally have no idea who sent this to me. If you are watching this and you sent this to me, please, please, please let me know so I can properly thank you. Because look, delicious cookbook. Ah! Oh my goodness, what do you think is in this? Let's take a look at her. Oh, I mean, gosh, look. Some of my friends, when they eat the poison apples even in here. Hope there's no recipe for that. That looks beautiful. By Julie Tremaine. You think she's related to Lady Tremaine? This is actually a really beautiful book. Appetizers, breakfast. Oh, cool, and they all have themed names, like Lady Tremaine toast, poor unfortunate rolls. Oh, that's clever, I like that. Sides and salads, main courses, cakes and pies, cookies and sweets, drinks. So this Lady Tremaine toast is nothing like what I thought it would be. This looks luxurious and amazing. It is a lemon lavender pound cake with homemade lemon curd. Oh my gosh. Chicken soup for sick dragons. It has Mad Madam Mim. Well, I'm definitely gonna have to make some of these recipes, right? Bald Mountain cookies. My friend Joe over at Taste Like Disney just made those. You should go follow his channel too. He does a lot of cooking and drink recipes. Good stuff. Oh, okay, so these are non-alcoholic drinks. I know how to fix it. Here's Peddler's Disguise. Looks like it would be a good fall drink. Apple cider or apple juice, cinnamon sticks, orange, cloves, and a piece of ginger. I look forward to making my way through this cookbook. So I feel like a great weight has been lifted because I felt so bad about having some of these around for so long. But I wanted to do justice to them. You know, I didn't want to just open them. I wanted to make sure I did it on camera and give everyone a hearty thank you. So still have a thank you yet to give, but if you are watching, you are out there and you sent this to me for that Instagram Christmas Secret Santa exchange, thank you very much. This is amazing, and I did not have this, so. And thank you to Andrea and Larry. My sassy new headband. And thank you to Karen over at Disney Inside Andy for my fantastic new Lucifer pin. Thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what your favorite thing was, or if you have this Villains Cookbook, if there's something you would like me to make. Let me know and I will give it a go. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.